Welcome to day 17 on the suspension style advent calendar here for Red Delta Project. And today's exercise is a special one. As far as I know, I've invented this exercise, but then again, nothing new under the sun, so it's probably out there anyway. But it's a great way to bridge, if you pardon the pun, the gap between hip extension bridges and full-on back bending bridges where you're pushing up off the floor, which a lot of times, myself, clients, they have trouble making that happen due to shoulder impingement issues and stuff. So we're going to use these rings as a way to release the stress in the shoulders while also getting that full back extension. And you usually do this on the floor with your feet on the ground, but I'm using this box for another reason, as you'll see in a minute here. And all we do is we get a full sag here. My back is rounded, my hips are nice and low. And I'm going to drive my hips up and make like I'm pulling my shoulders towards my heels. So I have a full back extension. Hamstrings are engaged, up, and then back down. Release the shoulders and then pull the shoulders back like you're pulling your chest through your shoulder blades, and then back down. Going for smooth, strong repetitions as high as you can with the hips, and then come down gently. 5 repetitions at a shot for that one. And that back extension variation may feel a little bit more in the back than the hamstrings, so then we're going to follow it up with 8 repetitions of an elevated hamstring curl on the box. Again, you can do this on the floor, but it's more effective and easier to feel if you can get your feet up on an elevated surface like a sturdy piece of furniture. So we have very similar approach here, but instead of focusing on extending with the spine, legs are straight and we dig our heels in and make like we're pulling our glutes as close to the heels as possible. So I get a bit of a stretch of my hamstrings here and curling with the hamstrings. Smooth and gentle is the way to go. This is sometimes preferable for some people compared to the hamstring curls that I gave earlier in the calendar. And it also is sometimes a little bit easier to engage the glutes for this as well. Smooth, big range of motion is the order of the day for 8 repetitions. Both of these exercises can be good for warming up the backside of the body. Could be good before you're doing your more serious bridge work or even your squats, because it just kind of wakes everything up on the back while stretching everything out on the front. Helps keep the body in balance. So for some of you, that's going to be a full workout. For others, it's more of just a good thing to do for active recovery on your rest days. More details down below in the description. Let me know if you have questions in the comments. Thanks much for watching. Be fit, live free.